Hi, I'm Jui and I am one of the co-founders for Beyond and More, and I also head design and curation for them. It's been an interesting journey for me because I was a commerce grad and a PGDBM in strategic marketing, and I in fact did a lot of data and everything in my initial years of career, but with some stroke of luck and being at the right time and the right place, I got my hand on product sourcing in Future Group, and then till since then there's been just no looking back. For the last 7 years, we co-founded Beyond and More with Alok and Sanjay, and it's been an absolute brilliant design ride, I'll say. We've been in an operation now for long, and we started with furniture, and now we also curate lighting and art. If I have to actually kind of describe Beyond and More in one word, I'll say that we bring dream of consumers and architects to design, and we curate pieces for them across various categories. We deal across entire gamut of loose furniture and decorative lighting and mixed media art. But what actually separates us from the rest of the players is our in-depth knowledge of over 3,000 brands, and we have a portfolio of over 1 lakh products. So our strategy is that you want a product, please let us know and we'll make sure that you get it for you. We have some great European brands on display over here, namely being Tacchini, Whitman, Pedrali, Interstool. It ranges across from Europe, mainly Italy and Spain. We are sort of like trying to give a depth in terms of feel and essence of those brands and create an environment for consumer to see those uber luxury brands. But as curators, I'll say that we are sort of brand agnostic. Our idea is to provide a solution to the consumer rather than pushing a particular brand. While we are absolutely proud of representing these brands in India, but based on consumer needs, we feel that since we've been working on solutions, it works better in terms of displays and everything. One of the most popular brands in our showroom has been Tacchini. It's based out of Italy and has won various design awards every year in terms of their product ranges. We have our own julep over here, which is done by Jonas Wegel. We have Kubus from Whitman, which is again a high-end design, and it's been done by Josef Hoffman. And we also have Madison Desk here from JMM, which is a company based out of Spain. Silver Chair from Interstool, which is a company again based out of Germany. So we've identified and researched brands across Europe so that you get the best of them in India. And these are legacy brands. JMM in fact is over 100 years in operation. Whitman craftsmen, the craftsmen which work at Whitman have been with them for over 40 years. So that's the kind of artisanal craftsmanship we are talking about. That's what we are bringing to India. Strategy kind of from the start has been that we will work with luxury brands across Europe, US. We did not start from Southeast Asia because we understand luxury comes from there. We wanted to provide it to them. We've also sort of seen their manufacturing facilities, we've seen the craftsmanship, we've researched on them and made sure that if we are suggesting these products to the consumer, we stand behind them and guarantee them that you want luxury, these brands will give you luxury. We understand that every client is a different client. So while in terms of style, modern and contemporary is in vogue across, but you will never find modern and contemporary of one house similar to another house, because what we kind of do is that we study the demographics and psychographics and talk to the client, and every living room, even in a modern or a contemporary space of one client, will differ from another. So while the pieces might be similar, but the touch in terms of a client may have a preference for Indian artisanal aesthetics for some idea, or a client who has well traveled and he wants the evolved trends. So those features kind of differentiate the curation from client to client so that no two client gets the same curation. What we also do additionally is that while we provide the look for them in terms of what they really want, we always propose something called iconics, which are basically Beyond and More recommendation. So based on their style, we suggest them something which can be a sort of statement piece. It will definitely add a whole narrative to the space. See, Mumbai is a financial market. We know the money is all over here. Most of the uber luxury homes are here. What we don't have is the space. So architects kind of have evolved in terms of providing the look and feel so that the space does not feel constrained. It's by probably picking up fewer pieces, but they are statement and pieces or they are timeless designs. And a lot of them are like astonishing us with kind of trend following trends like bringing outdoors to indoors, so that because Bombay has dearth of outdoor spaces, so how do you bring those things into this thing? I feel architects and interior designers in Mumbai and especially consumers in Mumbai have been absolutely in sync with the trends, and they have been trendsetters in terms of newer designs and trends across India. So Bombay is out there and it's totally adaptive. So it's a good city to win. What we'll say is that do visit us, come and meet us at least. We actually pride ourselves on our curation, and we've got feedback that once the client and the consumers have met us, they've been elated and they've been kind of satisfied in terms of how we do creation, because we really work hard on understanding their needs and just not pushing brands. So we guarantee that you will get a different experience and the luxury what you're looking at here. Pretty simple. You can visit our showroom, you can call us, you can connect us on connectedbeyondandmore.com. We have Insta pages, we have a website. The links are given there. So just a click and we can be made available. So I think IFDD is doing a great job in terms of understanding the market research and trends across sectors. I have read their articles, and last time there was an article on how the configuration of furniture is tying up through government agencies. Now they're covering markets, like they've done series on Bangalore, they're doing a series on Mumbai, they will be doing a series on Delhi. So they're out there, and I think soon they'll be a force to reckon with in terms of design and trends for the future.